Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English with Max and Mia, where learning English is simple. I'm Max.
Hi, Max, and hello to all our amazing listeners. It's really great to be here again.
It really is. How are you today, Mia?
I'm doing very well, thanks. I just had a nice cup of tea, so I feel really relaxed.
Oh, tea is perfect. I'm good too, but I feel a little tired today.
Tired? Oh no. But that's okay. Today's topic is actually perfect for tired people.
Exactly. I'm really excited about it. Today, we're talking about the night.
Ah, the night. Yes. What we do in the evening and before going to bed.
Right. We're going to learn easy English words for our night routine.
That sounds great. I really love the evening. It's my favorite time of the day.
Same here. But before we start talking about sleep, we have a small request.
Yes, if you're enjoying this episode, please take just 1 second and hit the like button.
It really helps us. And don't forget to subscribe to Easy English with Max and Mia so you don't miss new episodes.
And share it with a friend. If you know someone learning English, we'd love them to join us.
Thank you so much. All right, Mia, I'm ready to relax. Let's talk about the evening.
Let's do it. So Max, imagine the day is over. Work is finished, school is done.
Yes, that feeling. It's a really good feeling.
It is. What's the first thing you do when you get home?
First thing, I open the door and take off my shoes.
Ah, yes, shoes off. Same for me. It feels so good.
It really does. Then I put my bag down and change my clothes. That's very important.
Oh, 100%. I do the same. I take off my work clothes or my day clothes.
Yes, like jeans or a nice shirt.
And I put on my home clothes.
Same here. What are your home clothes, Mia?
They're very comfortable. I have an old, very soft t-shirt. It's blue.
Nice.
And soft pants. Not jeans. Maybe sweatpants. They're not stylish, but very comfortable.
I know exactly what you mean. I have a big pink sweater. It's my at-home sweater. It feels like a warm hug.
A home sweater. That's a perfect name. Okay, so now we're comfortable. What's next?
Well, usually I'm hungry.
Yes, same here. It's dinner time.
Dinner time.
So, Mia, do you cook every night?
Cook? I try to cook.
What do you mean?
I like cooking, but sometimes I'm really tired after work. On those days, I don't cook.
So what do you do?
I order food. That's my secret.
That's not a secret. A lot of people do that. It's easy.
It really is. I use my phone and order pizza. Or maybe Thai food. I love noodles.
Pizza is so good. Perfect for a tired day.
What about you? Do you cook?
Yes, I do. I enjoy cooking. For me, it's relaxing.
Really? Wow.
Yes, I put on some nice music, maybe jazz, and cut vegetables. I make simple meals.
Like what?
Maybe chicken and rice, or a big salad, or soup. I love making soup in winter.
Oh, soup is amazing.
So you cook, I order pizza, but we both eat dinner.
Exactly. Dinner is important. So dinner is finished. Maybe it's 7:30 p.m.
Yes. Now what? This is the best part.
This is relaxing time. What do you do to relax, Max?
I like sitting on my sofa. It's green and very soft.
The sofa is the best place in the house.
It really is. I sit there and watch TV.
Ah, TV. Same here. What do you watch?
I like funny shows, comedies. I want to laugh in the evening.
That's great. Laughing is a perfect way to relax.
What about you? Do you watch TV?
Sometimes, but I prefer reading.
Oh, a book. Nice.
Yes, I have a comfortable chair, my reading chair. I sit there and read.
What kind of books? I like mystery books. You know, detectives. Big questions like, who did it?
Ooh, exciting. My brain is too tired for mysteries. I just want to laugh.
That's okay. Sometimes I don't read either. Sometimes I just listen to music.
Oh, like when you cook?
No, different. I sit down, put on big headphones, close my eyes.
And just listen.
Yes, for about 20 minutes. No phone, no TV, just music. It helps my mind calm down.
Wow, that's a great idea. My brain is always busy.
You should try it. It's really nice. But Max, do you always stay home?
What do you mean?
Do you ever go out in the evening? You know, nightlife.
Nightlife sounds big and exciting.
Do you go dancing?
No, not really. My nightlife is pretty quiet.
Same. But sometimes, maybe on Friday, I go out.
Ah, yes, Friday night is different.
Yes, I meet friends, go to a restaurant,
That's fun. Talking and laughing together.
or we go to the cinema.
Movies.
Yes, I love movies and buying big popcorn.
Yes, popcorn is very important.
So maybe once or twice a week I go out, but usually I stay home.
Same here. I'm a homebody.
A homebody? What's that?
A person who loves staying at home. Home is their favorite place.
Then I'm definitely a homebody.
Me too. Sofa, books. It's perfect.
Okay, we relaxed, watched TV, read. Now it's late,
Yes, maybe 10 or 10:30 p.m.
and I start to feel sleepy.
Yes, your eyes get heavy. It's bedtime.
Bedtime. So I turn off the TV, say goodnight to my cat.
Oh, you have a cat?
Yes, a small black one. I say, "Good night, Suki," and go to the bathroom.
Yes, bedtime routine.
First, I brush my teeth.
Very important.
Yes, brush, brush for 2 minutes.
Same. Then I wash my face.
Me too, with warm water. It feels great, like the day is over.
Exactly. Then I put on my pajamas.
Pajamas, the best clothes.
We change clothes so many times. Day clothes, home clothes, pajamas.
True. Mine are blue with little stars.
Nice. Mine are just gray.
Gray is calm. Good for sleep.
Yes. So I'm ready for bed.
Do you sleep immediately?
No. First, I check my phone.
They say that's bad before sleep.
I know. But I do 2 things.
What?
First, I set my alarm.
Yes, me too. 7 a.m.
Same. We're alarm twins.
Yes. And second?
I check tomorrow's weather.
Smart. So you know if you need an umbrella.
Exactly. Then I put my phone far away,
Good idea.
so I don't keep looking at it.
I do the same. What do you do before sleep?
I read again.
You read everywhere.
Yes, but this time in bed.
A real paper book?
Yes, I like the feeling.
How long?
Maybe 10 minutes or 5.
And then you feel sleepy.
Yes, my eyes get heavy.
And then lights off.
Perfect routine.
Thank you. Then I close my eyes. Good night.
Good night, Mia.
Good night, Max.
Wow, time is gone.
Yes, it flies.
This was relaxing.
I feel sleepy now.
We hope this helped you.
We hope you learned new words like pajamas, relax, brush my teeth, homebody.
And before we go,
Leave a comment. What do you do in the evening?
Do you watch TV, read, listen to music?
Or what time do you go to bed?
We love reading your answers.
It's great practice.
And don't forget to subscribe to Easy English with Max and Mia and like the video.
And share it with friends.
Thank you for listening.
Have a great evening and good night.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.